A new Liberal government will make historic investments to strengthen the middle class, create jobs, and grow our economy. That includes a historic plan to improve public infrastructure to get people working, to build better cities and communities, and to improve our health, well-being, and quality of life. This historic investment will focus on three main areas: public transit, social infrastructure, and green projects, which is what I'll be focusing on today. We'll invest in things that will make your life better, like wastewater treatment plants and improved storm drain systems, and ensure resilient infrastructure that can withstand the more frequent extreme weather events coming our way. Whatever the project, we'll make sure we're working with provinces and cities to make sure investments are made in the projects they really need. We'll also develop new ways to finance construction and establish innovative methods to get more projects off the ground. And we'll work with provinces and territories to develop a national energy strategy with the goals of securing and storing energy and promoting green, renewable energy sources. All told, it's an investment of almost $6 billion over the next 4 years and almost $20 billion over the next decade in green infrastructure.
I'm sure there are a lot of folks who would find it very interesting that a guy named Trudeau is talking about a national plan for energy. So I wonder I know it involves working with the premiers, but what specifically would you like to see? And do you think there's a prejudice to overcome on that issue for you?
I think one of the things that we have to overcome is the fact that for 10 years, we've had a prime minister who has refused to sit down to talk with the provinces about serious issues of national import, whether it be around climate change or whether it be about interprovincial trade barriers or how to create jobs and growth or healthcare. This prime minister has been completely absent. On the question of energy, of how we create more renewable energy, how we ensure Canada's energy security, how we make sure that we're creating all the opportunities for businesses and for Canadians to succeed, means that we actually have to sit down and work with the provinces. And indeed, not just work across Canada on energy approaches, but actually work on a continental basis. We have missed opportunities to work with President Obama, who on his visit to Ottawa in the very early years talked about the need to create a North American energy approach and strategy. Well, that has North American Energy Partnership. That has fallen by the wayside because we have a prime minister who doesn't work well with others. We need to get smart about how we're building energies of the future and assuring energy security for Canadians and for our economy. And that means actually sitting down and working together. And I look forward to doing just that.